Howdy. I have a machine for sale that I've had for a few years and I just don't need it anymore. I've got a Ransomes FrontLine 723D. I'll give you a walk around and start it up. Demo. Got a weight on the back. Good tires, a lot of tread. Never had any problems with this machine. Nice cab, heated cab in fact. And it does come with a snow plow attachment. I should say a snow thrower attachment to be more accurate. Diesel engine. Probably could use an oil change. Okay. Glass is cracked on the driver's side. But it's never bothered me any. Okay. So to warm it, of course, there's turn this off for now. There's a fan switch here. A little bit noisy. Okay. Now, actually, before I flip that, I'm going to show you. I was mentioning that there's a fan switch. And there's a fan here, but the motor's burned out. So, you know, a 12-volt fan would probably be $10. I just added that myself. But you've got lights, hazards, windshield wiper, and then of course your fan right here. Cold or hot. I'm gonna go cold, obviously. So you also have this opens and shuts really easily for winter. And right now it's summertime, so we're just gonna leave that open. Okay, here we go. Cut some grass.